Hello and welcome back to the Suzanne and Sarah YouTube channel, joining you from the Lufthansa Lounge in Detroit International Airport. And here to tell you about what happened in the market in Bend, Oregon in May 2026. And the headline is, we are almost back to Bend's record high home price because Bend's spring market finally popped in May, a few months later than normal. And after April's really surprisingly soft 699,000 median home price, May jumped to nearly 800,000. So we're at 795,000 median home price in Bend. That is up $96,000, over 13% month over month, and over 5% higher than this time last year. So what happened? Well, we've told you this before. It happens frequently in Bend. A lot more $1 million homes sold in May than they did in April. So we had a lot higher concentration of those quote unquote luxury sales, which is basically sales over the $1 million mark. So in April last month, 28% of sales were over $1 million. And in May, that was over 32%. But here's the interesting part. The highest number of sales occurred in the $1 to $1.2 million price range. And then the next highest number was between $550 and $600. So basically half. That tells you a lot about who is buying in Bend these days. It's a really stratified market. You've got like $1 million buyers and $500,000 buyers. Price per square foot climbed to $381. Sorry for all the laughing behind me. There's lots of activity here. But anyways, so $381 price per square foot. That's up 11% from April, essentially flat to last year. So pretty much the same. We had 157 closings in May, which was up 5% from April and up 8% from last year. So definitely seeing more sales this year. And homes went pending way faster, basically a week faster this year than they did last year. So 13 days it took before a home went pending, and last year it was taking 3 weeks. Cash buyers were, again, pretty close to about 30% of sales. This time last year was 38%. So people are financing even though interest rates aren't much changed. And our inventory is up to 3.5 months of supply, which gives buyers a lot more options while still keeping the market relatively competitive. So the takeaway for you, Bend buyers and sellers, is that real estate demand is very healthy. Homes are moving quickly, and luxury sales definitely helped to boost the median home price, but so did those sales around $550,000, $600,000. And the market is showing a lot of strength heading into the summer months, and we're seeing a lot more sales at those lower price tiers as well. So if you want to know what we're predicting for June, hit us up and we will get you that info so you can help time your property purchase or sale. Thank you so much for joining us on the Suzanne and Sarah YouTube channel. We'll be back at you next month with all the great stats for June 2026. See you next time.